Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Place both earbuds in the charging case and close the lid. Confirm the case battery is at least 20% before you continue. Open the lid and keep the earbuds seated. Use the small pairing button on the back of the case for the core reset. You will also use the earbud touch sensors briefly to clear connections. This overview prepares you for the next steps that perform a full factory reset and clear all Bluetooth pairings. Open the case lid and press, and hold the pairing button for 12 seconds. Keep holding the button until the status LED flashes white repeatedly. Do not remove the earbuds during this 12-second press. After the LED flashes white, release the button and close the lid for 5 seconds. Open the lid again and tap each earbud once to ensure the touch sensors register. This sequence clears stored pairings and resets internal settings to factory defaults. After the reset, open the case lid and watch for white LED flashes indicating pairing mode. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings and select Nothing Ear 1 from the device list. If the earbud name does not appear, close the lid, wait 5 seconds, then reopen. Once paired, install any available firmware updates through the Nothing app immediately. Play audio to verify both left and right channels and confirm microphone function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.